Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to do a value scale using a pencil. So if you don't have a pencil, pause the video and go get a pencil. If you have just a ballpoint pen, I think that will be fine too. A colored pencil will work. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw just a rectangle. We're actually going to draw two rectangles. Get your finger out of there, Miss Violet. Two rectangles, okay? And then in the first one, we are going to count down from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. I'm gonna have you pause the video so that you can catch up. You want your paper to look just like that. Each one of these numbers equals layers. Layers of pencil. Or pen if that's all you have. Okay? The goal to make it looking smooth is when you shade it in, you're gonna alternate directions. So let's hold it right here. This is Violet, she's helping me out today. All right, so you are going to very lightly, in a diagonal line, put one layer of pencil on your rectangle. You're not on the right rectangle, Violet. There you go. All right. And we're gonna go all the way down. You see how I'm coloring just one rectangle at a time. I'm not overlapping my lines. We're gonna do that on the next value scale. And then how many layers are gonna go into our last block here, where it says 0? Violet, you gonna answer? 0. Yep. All right. Then I'm gonna have you turn your paper, however you would like. And now we are going to do a second layer. Going the opposite direction. Sorry. Gonna turn it again. Nope, still not comfortable. I just like to turn the paper so that my hand is comfortable. And now you're gonna do a second coat, or layer. You can hold it. Thanks.
I hold it up high.
Yep. Just make sure you can see what we're doing. All right, where am I gonna stop my layering this time, Violet? You can point to it. Can you guess?
1.
1. So 1 has how many layers?
1.
1. So we don't need to add a second layer onto 1. And if you have the same pressure, you can see that layer 1 is lighter than layer 2. And now we're going to do layer 3. So again, I switched the direction of my pencil lines. I'm staying inside the squares. You're gonna make somebody sick, Miss Violet. And where am I stopping? Yeah.
2.
2, so layer 3 should be slightly darker than layer 2. And then you're gonna go back. You can turn your paper again. I'm gonna go my vertical lines. This is layer 4. Again, slightly darker than 3. And then I get to go to layer 5. See, with the alternating layer lines, your lines are less sketchy. So they blend together a little bit more when you alternate the direction of your layering. And then finally, layer 6 should be darker. And sometimes you have different pressures. So sometimes you might find that your layers look the same. And if that's the case, then you just have to go back and add a little bit more. Like 4 and 5 are the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 5 a little bit darker. And I think that is where it is. And then now 5 and 6 are the same, so I'm going to add an extra onto 6. So sometimes they look the same and you just have to kind of alter it. Got it, Violet? Oops, pause. Not pause. Make it in focus. There we go. You guys see it? And that is what your first one is going to look like. We're going to stop here. I'm going to let you catch up, and then we will make a second video for the other one.